I'm Jess, and I came to Adam and the Fibro Guy with severe pain in both feet. The pain was so severe that it had impacted my mobility. I really couldn't walk around my house. I couldn't stand. If I left the house, it would have to be in a wheelchair. And this had gone on for about 9 years. So when I read about the Fibro Guy, I thought, well, what do I have to lose? The first session I had with Adam, he had me standing for 30 seconds. Now I'm walking 7,000 steps a day. That's an hour walk. So my life has been completely transformed by working with Adam. The program has been a lot of hard work. It has been 100,000% worth it. I would do it again and again. I've gained a life, which I didn't have before, the ability to travel, which I wasn't able to do. I haven't used my wheelchair. I can go out and take a walk every day. I've walked in botanic gardens. I can do ordinary things around the house, like cook a meal. All those things that people take for granted that I just simply couldn't do. Adam's approach is unique, creative, and pure genius. He offers a mixture of pain education and exercises that, really, for someone who's been in this amount of pain for this long, just getting my head around the idea that pain does not equal damage was a big one. And the level of pain education that Adam offered was so in-depth that it really allowed me to adopt a framework to start moving forward with the exercises that he gave me. He's also incredibly compassionate and supportive. He was available inside sessions and outside any time of the day, anytime I had a setback, because this is not a linear process. He's also the best problem solver I've ever met, absolutely creative in devising a way around a perceived limitation. And he's just been an absolute joy to work with. I've gained a true friend. The sessions were fun, we laughed a lot, which is really important because the exercises are very challenging in the sense that they forced me to go beyond my preconceptions of what I could and couldn't do. And thank goodness for that, because going from literally not being able to stand for 30 seconds to going on an hour-long walk a day has been an absolute life changer for me. I can't thank Adam and the Fibro Guy enough. I have a life. The pain has come down. Pain is not at the center of my experience anymore, and I never thought I'd be able to say that. So yeah, it's been a wild and wonderful ride.